in the clay as I shape and mold. The clay is alive, its story untold. A dog bowl born from a lump of stone. Round and round I guide the line. Smooth the edges, make it shine. I made a husky bowl from clay, a little lopsided, but that's okay. The dog don't mind as I did my best, and all she wants is a snack to taste. No harsh critic here, just a loving look, so sincere. Husky bowl from clay, form as I mold and play. It's a masterpiece in its own way. My cute husky bowl from clay. I started by rolling clay into a ball, then pinched it slightly to make it tall. Flatten the edges to make it straight like a wall. And just like this, I form a bowl. I made a dog bowl with clay, a present for a dog who loved to play. He used the same bowl for 6 whole years. It's time for a change, it's pretty clear. I spin the wheel, the clay gets bold. A husky's face begins to unfold. Ears up high, tail so round. A masterpiece that won't back down. Color me husky, color me wild. Paint me the grin of a mystery
You like only balls?
Color me husky, color me wild. Pay me the grin of a mischievous child. Brush me in blue.
What are you doing with our bow? Straight from the oven. Here, accidentally, the ear broke and the teacher did a flip and she glued it upside down. Here, she took one of the flower leaf from Lana and she accidentally glued it here on Sophie ball. And yeah, in Lana, so it's missing one leaf and she also have a crack. So they're imperfect, but they're perfect in their imperfection. So I did my best. This is like not really my fault. This is a fluke, which I could not do anything about it. So, oh well. Here is Lana ball. Oh, she's so beautiful. Here is Hector ball. Hector, you like the food? So, Hector, here is your ball. Look, it looks like your twin brother. And this one is for Sophie. So this one I'm gonna give as a gift for my sister. Yep, and this is all the dog balls. Very cute, very cute. Hector, you looking for the food? Nice to meet you, Hector. What do you think on your food ball? Lana, it even say Lana. Sweet Lana! Oh my gosh, and she have the bandana, which is like an apron. Lana with a bandana. Lana, what do you think on your food ball? Look how sweet it is. Sweetie, the sweetie pie, mwah, mwah, mwah. Kiss my eye.
Hands in the dirt, it's a messy kind of play. Shapes in the sun, spinning wheels all day. I made a pot, it's leaning to the side. It's weird, it's perfect, it's my little pride. Squish it down, then pull it high. Feels like magic, don't know why. Fingers dancing, making lines. This lump of mud feels so divine.
Now that it's ready, it's finally time to replace it. That's right. Goodbye to the old brush holder. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And yeah, goodbye. Ta-da! Oh, it's so cute. And I can spin it and each time see something else.